Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to show you how you can add your bot in BotsMother. So first of all, you have to create a bot from BotsMother. Here you have to click on create new bot. Then you have to name your bot. I am giving like SMS sender BM bot. Then you have to select your username. I am giving SMS sender BM bot. You will find your bot token. Then you have to copy this. Then you have to come to your BotsMother account. You will find this dashboard. Then you have to click on sidebar. Here you will find my bots. Here you will find create new bot. Here you can give a name or your name will be taken automatically. You can give a random data. I am giving test, username also test, and I am giving the token. Then if I click on create, you can see our bot has been created here. You will see the bot's name, bot's username. This has been added automatically. If I click on the username, you will find the bot. It's opening here. If I click on view details, you will find here all details about your bot. Here you will find commands tab. Here you can add your command and you can edit the commands code. Then you will find user section. Now if I start the bot and refresh it, you will find my user account has been created. Here you will find my name, my username, my Telegram ID, everything. Then here you will find broadcast. This will generate when you will add bot run all command. Then here you will find settings. From here you can change your bot name. Then you can change your plan. Then you can change your username and your bot token. Then here you can export your bot's data. Here you will find a JSON downloading option and you can import also. So I am going to show you how you can import. I have a bot's code which is SMS sender bot. I'm clicking on import. Then you will find my phone's every JSON file is showing here. Here you can see SMS sender BM bot. I'm adding this JSON. You can see import result 9 commands imported, 9 created. Now if we visit commands tab, you will find our commands has been added. Here if we click on code, you will find our codes has been also added. Now if we start our bot again, you can see our bot is working perfectly. Here you can see hey crazy host support. This is my ID's name. And here you will find home option, then add fund option. In this way, users can add fund with this bot. You can see every function has been added automatically. Here users can also send messages. This has been added automatically and everything is functional. You can create every kind of bots with the help of BotsMother. So that was our today's video. Thanks for watching.